So you started it with TikTok. Now, how exactly do you go about finding a winning product? How exactly do you go about posting a video with a product that is going to convert? Now, there's many ways you can do this. There's a free way and there's a paid way to do this. Now, if you're just starting out, I would highly recommend just do the free way. You don't need to buy something in order to find a winning product. Once you log in into your TikTok account, all you're going to do is click on the product marketplace, and this is a great tool you can use to not only find a winning product but also look at competitors videos, see what's performing really well on TikTok. Now what you can do is you can scroll down general, see what's recommended for you. My favorite way to take this is go through the different categories they have, like health or book and entertainment. Book and entertainment does really well, and also the health category does extremely well. Now it would say recommended for you, and what you can do is you can just filter by bestseller, and that's like the perfect way to find products that solves a current issue, and people, it's already proven that people will buy that product, and you just have to go in and make those videos with a good hook, a good call to action, especially if they're having any promotions going on. You can promote those promotions. Now, what's really doing well is the neck massager, and you can see that is right here, top number one rated. They also highlight different things. If there's a free sample, so if you want to request that product for free, you can request it for free. Top four seller rated, and then it shows how much has sold, 3.1K sold per in the past month. So this is a great free tool, TikTok shop product that you can promote, and you did it for completely free. Now if you start making some money, I would highly recommend start using CaloData. That is a really good tool to use to figure out products before they even go viral. That's what I currently use, but when I first started out, this is all I was doing. Another great tool that you can use for free is you can just go on your For You page and look at the first video that popped up was a portable projector, and you can see how much has sold, if there is a market for it and people are buying, and also the reviews. You want to stick within 4.1 all the way up in ratings for that product. That really shows that the product is a good product and people like it, people enjoy it. And just go through some of the reviews. Some of the reviews, if it says like if they gave a bad rating because of the shipping, you shouldn't worry about that. Just make sure the product works, make sure that people actually enjoy the product. You can scroll some more, and I'm pretty sure you will find more products that you can tell what videos are really popping off on TikTok currently. So if you scroll more, you can also look at people's lives, see what products they're promoting, and that can also be a good signal that this product is selling, it is going viral, and you should probably make a video on it as well. Now the next way is CaloData, and that is a completely separate way. That is a paid version. You do have to pay for it. I would recommend it, especially if you want to fast forward your track to making money on TikTok Shop affiliate. But you don't really need it. You don't need CaloData. You have all these tools. You can look at your For You page. That's a great way to look at competitors' videos. And you can also check that product showcase. They show a whole bunch of products on there as well. Now, but if you want to use CaloData, there is a free trial. It's a 7-day trial. And when I first started out, I was just signing up for a temp email and just kept on using that free trial. Especially if you have multiple emails, just use the free trial. And then when your trial ends, just make a new account and use that free trial. And what's great about this is if you connect it with your TikTok account, you can get a 1-day professional plan for free. So you can use that professional plan, milk it, go through all the videos, go through what products, and then align all the products you want to sell. I'm not going to go over CaloData in this video, but if you want me to, write in the comments and then we can go over CaloData and how exactly it works. The reason I don't want to go over it is because I want to make sure this is the lowest cost. Like I said in a previous video, TikTok Shop affiliate doesn't need no overhead, and you really don't want to be spending right away. Then it's not profitable for you. So we're really going to focus on this channel of how to start this business model completely free at the lowest cost and using the tools that you already have. Now I do have a free Discord. And this free Discord is completely free. I'm not selling no course, nothing. What I'm doing is I'm posting winning products weekly. So you can hop onto that Discord. I left the link in the description down below. It's also on my YouTube bio. You can check it out on there, and you have a direct link, and you can see all the winning products that are going on for that current week. So I'd highly recommend checking that free Discord out, especially will help a lot of people just starting out and who don't have a lot of capital to start. Not saying that you need any capital to start, but a lot of people like to have those expensive tools before they start any business. But this is just a way to, you can do it for completely free, the lowest cost possible, so you can start with just your phone and free products you receive through requesting a sample out of.